this knife too. Zip. Hey there, nature lovers. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be harvesting pumpkins that I did not plant. No guys, me never plant them. I did not plant them, and no, I did not raid my neighbor's property, but I'll be harvesting pumpkins. In this video, I am going to share that backstory with you. I'm also going to share with you some tips as to how you can know when the pumpkins are ready to be harvested. And there's something special I will be doing with the pumpkins. You may want to stick around for that, as well as I'll be giving you a mini tour of the farm. So stick around for that. Come along with me, guys. Let's go. Let's grow like a pro. So guys, do you want to hear the full backstory of how I come to be harvesting pumpkins that I did not plant? Here it goes. My neighbor, Mr. Gary, he planted a whole patch of pumpkins, and he farms on the property in front of our property. He shared with me something very interesting. He said that because the pumpkins have come over onto my property, they're mine. So yes, I did not plant them. He planted a whole patch of pumpkins. So guys, I'm harvesting my pumpkins. I did not plant them. Mr. Gary planted them, but they now belong to me. And the interesting thing, guys, about this is that he was actually going to get rid of the pumpkin patch. He had reaped off his own property. He had harvested. He had sold them out. And he told me that he is not going to be destroying or getting rid of the roots of the pumpkins on which the ones that have come over my property on. So that would allow the pumpkins that have come over to my property to get some more time to mature, and I could harvest them in time. I thought that was so awesome. So how do we know when pumpkins are ready? Let me show you. Come along. So in this case, guys, this one was one that had come over. See, they were onto his property and they have come over. The vines, you know how vines love to run. So they come over this property. So this one, guys, was attached to the vine from over his property. So we had this one covered up and we were waiting for it to mature. And see, we know it's ready because it's more than ready, because the stem has completely dried down, and look at it. You see the underbelly of it has that color where it was resting on the grass. So this tells us it looks small, but it is ready. And this variety is different from the others I'm going to show you. So let me go and show you the other varieties. This is also one that had come over from the property, from his property onto ours. See, it was on the vine, and we know it's ready because the vine is dried up, the stem is dried up, so that is ready. And this is another variety. This one he had given me, and this one he had given me as well, and see, they are dried up. Now I'm going to show you on the stem how the others are not looking the same. They are not ready. So let us see how we know that those are not ready. Take a little walk with me. Alright, now so if you look at this one, guys, you will notice that the vine is not dried. The vine is still very much green. So this one, guys, is another variety. So this one is not yet ready. And you can see it still not ready. It's not ready yet. So we're going to have to wait until this is dried down. I'm also going to show you another one that has just come out, and we're going to see how that one looks. So if you look down here, guys, look, just a few days ago, just the other day, it was just a little pumpkin, and look at it now. And as you can see, look there, this is green, very green, and very thick and very sturdy. So that tells you it's very young. It's not ready yet. This has some ways to go before it becomes a full-blown pumpkin or a ripened ready pumpkin to be harvested. So this we have to give it a couple more weeks before that one is ready. I'm now going to cut some of the pumpkins so we can see what they look like. So come with me, guys, let's go. By the way, guys, I am Sandra if it's your first time on the channel, and I provide gardening tips, tricks, hacks, and DIY here for mainly beginner gardeners. So welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoy this episode and please continue to like, share and subscribe. Just drop it in the comment. What recipes do you use your pumpkins for? Thank you. Guys, unboxing my knife. Secret about keeping your knife sharp, always make sure they remain in their case. Let's go. Alright. So if you know it has wedges, so we are going to just cut in the wedge. Oh wow, that sounds nice. Guys, it's hard to cut pumpkin, you know, and keep it how you, oops. Oh my god. Awesome. Oh, in fact, that looks very, very nice. I'm grateful for that. Wonderful. It's beautiful. I'm going to be cutting it in wedges like this, and I'm going to be sharing it so that some of my friends can get a piece. I have these bags, so I'm just going to put them in there. Beautiful. Nice. Look at me with the pumpkin. Nice. Alright guys, so that's one variety. Let's look at this little one and see what it has inside. This knife really feels good. Oh. Ooh, wow, that's beautiful. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What about this one? So we can hold on to this one and then we'll just share the others all the way around. Woo! Wow. One looks like cantaloupe. It looks like cantaloupe. Don't want this knife to zip. Alright guys, so we're gonna bag them up now, because we're going to be giving away all of this. Look at this portion. Nice. Yes guys, so this is what the farm looks like, what is left of it. He has already harvested most of it, so he has just left a little area here for personal use, you know, for his use and for other personal use. And here we have some others, another variety here. Look at this one, that's another variety. You can see that this one is not ready as well, because look at how strong and sturdy the stem still is, and it's small, so we know that that one is not yet ready. He had some more in here, and it seems as if he has already harvested those. I'm also checking to see if I find any more on these pumpkin bush that have come over. I'm looking to see if I find any more. So guys, this is the area he has left intact all along the fence line as far back as you can see. That's a little tour I'm giving you. Several pumpkins are in there for his use, and I'm sure he will also offer us some more as time goes by. But all along the fence line, and some have come over. So if you walk with me, you'll see some that are here. So yes guys, that is it. So this is what the pumpkin looks like, guys. So thick and rich and beautiful in color, beautiful in texture, beautiful in color. I hope you really enjoy this video, guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, please remember to keep your notification on, so every time I post you will be notified. Thanks again for watching. Have a good one. Enjoy. Continue to nurture in nature. Until I see you next time, walk good. Lots of love, guys. Bye bye.